Welcome back to Amazing Mechanic. Today we're taking a look at some of the most intense collision moments ever caught on camera. If the drivers had stayed just a little calmer, maybe things would have turned out differently. But here we are, let's get into it. Cross the yellow line, hit from both sides. Too fast lost, it went airborne and came down hard. Handbrake off on a slope. The pickup rolled, he ran and made it. The truck didn't. White car cut in, blind truck took the barrier. Bike crossed blind, they were fine. Oncoming wasn't. Homemade bike, no check before crossing. Both riders walked away. Their vehicles didn't. Red truck too close, swerved and rolled. Brakes locked, skidded hard, straight into the pole. Overshot the turn cut, blind red truck paid. Orange truck crossed lanes, car flipped into the wall. Lost control, cleared the divider, flipped hard. Cyclist barely escaped. Forced the overtake, red truck hit straight on. People find car isn't. Head on in the curve, both walked away, but one forgot the engine car rolled off. Manholes blew without warning. Lucky nobody was close. Log truck wrong lane on the bridge, flipped hard. Nine-seater lost it, hit two. No helmet, head-on hit. Still walked away. One second off at 120, hit the rail, rolled over. Car flew off the overpass, landed flat, nobody below. Blind overtake on a dark curve, black car went off the edge. Lost control, hit the barrier, clipped a car, then rolled. Dozed off, blue car drifted into the curb. Wrong pedal, white car. One mistake, bad day. White car read it, backed off, stayed safe. Two cars hit. A third joined in. Driver got out just as the truck arrived. Others ran. Chain kept going. No distance kept. They all paid for it. car crossed the solid line, log truck flipped over. White stopped mid-road, blocked the truck. It rolled. So button stop, no gap. 5 cars hit hard. Same direction, both on green. Red cut in blue, got squeezed, lost it, rolled. Red truck reversed blind, hit the white car. Driver got out just in time. Blue car cut the line, blue truck rolled. Heavy load, sharp turn, red truck rolled. Biker escaped. Red truck lost it, crushed the car. Blowout on the bridge, white truck hit black, sent it flying. Parked driver barely made it. Blue truck too close, rear-ended the car flipped. Tanker swerved for the bike, overcorrected, rolled. Driver jumped out safe. Passed the blind spot, bike totaled, rider. Survived. Learn from it. No slowdown on the curve, white truck rolled. Dozed off luxury car hit the divider. Same curve, blue truck, no slowdown, went off. Too fast on mountain curve, fell off. No gap on bridge, car wrecked, truck caught fire. Same deadly curve, same mistake, no slowdown. The truck went off the road again. Heavy load, hard brake at the junction, flipped, crushed the waiting car. Four cars stopped at red truck, had no brakes, hit them all. No respect for the rules. Red truck braked hard. Spun concrete piles pierced the cabin. Always control your speed. Red truck ran red, tanker ran yellow, same direction, same moment. Tail hit the tank, fuel spilled everywhere. People praying outside, runaway car came straight in. Parked car blocked it. Everyone ran. Nobody got hurt, barely. Three-wheeler forced into the blind spot, no check, no care. Red truck had no idea. Hit hard, flipped over. Dozed off at night, truck took out the roadside house. Living near the highway, danger never announces itself. Blind spot again, rider ran, bike didn't. Truck on fire, out of control, oil leaking. Only stopped when it hit someone's home. Car flew off the bridge, bikes below survived. Bike ran, red truck swerved to dodge, it rolled. Neither gave way, they collided. Two bikers barely escaped. Red log truckload broke loose at speed. Walker safe car wasn't. Crane arm snapped and landed on the car. Crushed flat. Driver just stood up. Airbag saved his life. Some days, luck just shows up. Two cars hit the divider. She dodged both. Unbelievable. Red truck crossed solid lines, forced back and lost it, rear-ended the white car. No look near miss. Yellow car dozed off, somehow steered itself right onto the divider. No contact. Lost control, hit a slowing car. No brake, slammed into the last car, waiting at red. Flipped it. License gone permanently. Red truck full speed, hit the truck at green light. Steel coils fell, crushed the cabin. Heavy load demands full control, always. Black car hit the parked police cruiser. Officer ran just in time. Bike crossed blind. Red truck swerved, hit the divider. Ran red full speed, no plan to stop. Ended in a canal. Consequences don't wait. Two cars, one junction, no slowdown, no yield. They collided hard. One costly lesson for everyone. Red truck, no slowdown at the junction, hit the white car crossing. Speed costs. No look car dodged her. Barely. Yellow taxi turned illegally on solid line. Cyclist didn't see it, hit straight in, flew inside. Cyclist walked out fine. Taxi learned an expensive lesson. Blue truck clipped the sunken edge, flipped over. Driver made it out safe. Read the road every single time. Cyclist rode into the blind spot, went under the black truck. Somehow walked out. Stood up, bike crushed flat. Death forgot about him today. Always look before you cross. Pole fell out of nowhere. Biker girl fell, she was fine. 1 second earlier, different story. Overloaded truck, wrong lane, full speed, hit the broken down truck. Flipped into oncoming car. Heavy load, wrong road, no control. That's how it ends. Red truck, too close, too fast, hit the car hard. Bikers escaped. Sometimes luck is all you have. Too fast, no check, car flipped right over the crossing cyclist. Cyclist was fine. Red car plowed into the minimart. Cashier and customer ran just in time. Danger doesn't knock. High-speed merging truck ahead, panic brake, crossed the divider, hit oncoming car. Car reversed too hard, smashed through the glass door into her home. She ran just in time. Inside isn't always safe. Container lost control, crushed the black car flat. Driver looked up, confused, completely unhurt. A good car and airbags saved him. No helmet crossed, blind red truck swerved, went off the road. Mountain road crash ahead, she read it, dropped, the bike ran. 1 second later, she wouldn't be here. Black car lost control, hit their roadside food cart. Couple walked away unhurt, holding each other. Red truck blew a tire, flipped, caught fire fast. Oncoming red truck drove straight into the flames. Car carrier behind them got out in time. Always check your tires. Two cars collided far off, slammed into the parked car, then hit the restaurant. 4 diners safe. That parked car saved them all. Stalled car on the highway. 2 cars slowed down. Truck didn't. Hit all 3. 2 caught fire. Everyone ran out safe. Keep your distance. Control your speed. Every trip depends on it. She was inside about to leave. A truck and car collided far away. Both flew straight into her home. She ran just in time. 1 second slower, different story. Red truck, no brake, no gap, rear-ended 3-stop trucks. Costly lesson for everyone. Cement mixer, no slowdown at red, panicked, hit the divider, rolled over 2 waiting cars. Wrong place, wrong time. Blind spot on the curve, biker reacted fast, escaped. Blue and red trucks, same junction, neither yielded. Both paid, both flipped. Unsafe lane cut, tanker braked just in time. Scared for life. Red truck, wrong lane, crossed the solid yellow line. Head on with an orange truck. Both flipped. Both crushed. Way too dangerous. Sudden lane, cut, no check. Car had no time. Swerved. Flipped. Drive responsibly. blowout on a mountain curve at speed. Cargo struck the black car. Both lost control. Truck recovered. Car didn't escape damage. Reckless bike cut off the truck. Truck swerved, hit a parked one. Bike got away. Trucks didn't. Never cut off a truck. Broken down truck, hazards on. Blue truck, no gap. Hard rear end. Keep your distance. Green light. Big bike, full throttle showing off. Wheelie. Down. Driver jumped. Three-wheeler went straight into traffic. He survived. No lights, no rules, no yield. Two trucks head on. Wake-up call. Oil tanker too fast, no gap at the red light. Tried to switch lanes, hit a truck instead. Tanker flipped, caught fire. Truck burned too. Driver escaped just in time. Always control your speed. It's what keeps you alive. Green truck lost control on the bridge, flipped, dumped everything, then stood back up. Unbelievable. Cement mixer turned right without yielding. An oncoming truck hit it hard. Both flipped. Power pole snapped. Pedestrian on the sidewalk safe. Lucky. Police already at one crash. Trucks drifted over. Another truck lost control, chain collision. Officer jumped clear. Smart call. Truck blind spot. Woman survived. Lesson learned barely. Two tankers stopped at the red light on the boulevard. A truck behind no speed control, no gap, slammed into the rear tanker. Cabin gone. Always control your speed. Always keep your distance. Red truck again. No speed, no gap. Plowed into cars waiting at the light. License gone. Forever. Orange semi, no brakes, no gap. Plowed through cars waiting at the red. Zero intention to stop. License gone. Forever. Truck lost control. Biker read it, dropped, the bike ran. Safe. Black car sandwich, slow truck ahead, container behind with no gap. Crushed flat. Blowout on the mountain road. White car crossed into oncoming traffic. Hit another white car. Then a truck hit that one into the cliff. Blind mountain curve. Blue truck, red truck, no slowdown, no yield. Head on. Both cabins crushed. Red truck rolled back, hit a house. Residents escaped just in time. Always slow down at blind curves. It saves lives. Driver under the truck fixing it. Container hit the rear. Truck flipped. Driver untouched. Miraculous. Always set warning triangles far back. Yellow taxi turned left. Red truck, wrong lane, braked too late, flipped, crushed the taxi flat, then stood back up. Speed. Always the problem. Every moment you just watched was a reminder the road demands your full attention. Stay focused, keep your distance, and look out for others. Drive smart out there. Subscribe to Amazing Mechanic, and we'll see you in the next one.